what you're going to need: a drill, a cup, glitter, Gorilla Glue, glycerin, a bowl and something to measure equal parts with, and a syringe. This syringe I actually got from Amazon as a teeth whitening kit. It's awesome. I'll link it down below for you. I prefer Craftsman for all of my drills. I have this drill bit set, and for this one I'm using a 3/16 drill bit. I guess you could use any kind, but this one works really good, so this is what I used. I started by turning the cup upside down. I find it's easier to just set on the floor and turn it all the way over. That way it's really stable when I go to drill it. It takes some time really drilling through the plastic, and you want to be careful. I didn't drill it right in the middle of the cup. I kind of went off to the side, but not too close to hit that bottom rim piece or whatever that is. You want to really be careful when you drill and not drill too far. You only want to go through that first layer, and it's just slowly going to kind of whittle away that plastic. It's not going to come out as one solid piece or anything like that. After you've got the hole drilled in, you need to mix up your liquid. I'm using about 40% water, 60% vegetable glycerin. The glycerin is what gives your glitter that floating effect. If you put too much, it's going to float too much. Your glitter is going to stick to the top of the cup. So I find about 40% water, 60% glycerin is about right. You can kind of test this once you get going and see what you like. I've made it where the glitter floats more, and then I've made one where the glitter kind of sinks to the bottom and you have to shake it. So just do whatever works best for you. Next, I put some paper down to kind of catch any glitter fallout so I wouldn't have a big old mess on my floor. And you just gently shake it onto the cup. I'm using this glitter here from Hobby Lobby. I'll link everything I use below, and also some really good Amazon glitter that I use from time to time. What you do is just tap the bottom, shake it around, and slowly it's going to fall down inside, and that's how you get your glitter in there. Now you need to go ahead and suck your liquid up with that syringe. I'm telling you, if you get that teeth whitening kit, it already comes with these. It's like $8 or something. It is the best teeth whitening ever. So it's like a bonus. You get white teeth and you get a cool cup. As you can see, my cats are really interested in this project. Once you get a little bit of liquid in there, you can kind of shake it up and test out the float and see if you like the way it's looking so far. If not, you can always add more water or glycerin to your mix. I know some people are really scared of epoxy, but don't be. This is so easy to use, this Gorilla Glue type. You have to have it for this project. And when you squeeze it out, it's already perfectly measured. All I'm doing here is just covering. I put a piece of duct tape up there. Can you see it? And then I covered the tape. I didn't fill the whole bottom or anything. See, it's just kind of clumped up right over the tape, over the hole right there. And that is it. It's a super quick and easy DIY. I did let the epoxy dry overnight, and I've also made several other ones. They've all lasted really great in the dishwasher. I've had that pink one for about 6 months, and I have a written tutorial up on my blog. Feel free to check that out and comment below if you've made your own. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.